Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you how you can play Genshin Impact with a PS4 controller. So guys, let me go to the website so that you have some beautiful background. Guys, it's somewhat very easy. But the first thing that you need to know is that you absolutely need to buy this little adapter, right? So what this adapter does, as you can see the in of it, right, where you put in your wire into, has the actual USB connector that you have on your PC and other devices like laptops and stuff like that. And the other side of it is actually Type-C, the one that it goes into your phone, right? So the way this is done, right, let me just show you. So you just connect your wire, right, the one that you will use with your controller, into this little device, like that. As you can see, connected. Now, the other thing that you need to do is, of course, connect the other part into your actual controller. Let me do that. Let me just do it properly so that the side is correct. I think it's supposed to be going in. Wait, let me see. Think like this. No. There you go, like that. And now that you are connected, just plug it in into your phone, just like that. And as you can see, if I do something, as you can see, I'm doing something with my actual controller. As you can see, moving my sticks and stuff like that. Everything is working now. You can see it on the screen. You can see it on my camera. As you can see, everything is working. And now I'm just going to open a game called Dead Cells, and I will show you that this controller actually supports it natively. Okay, so as you can see, allow this app to use the controller, yes, and let us now play a bit. So as you can see, I'm using my controller. As you can see, it works. Let me just turn off the sound. Okay, so play, continue, and as you can see, everything works. In terms of Genshin, just give me a second, I will explain everything, okay? Alright, as you can see, skip, and look, everything works out of the box. With Genshin though, everything is going to be a bit different. In Genshin, there's no native support for your DualShock controller, right? PS4 controller. So we're going to have to do it a bit differently. So now that I've proven to you that you can play some games natively on your controller without any software, we're going to have to do a little bit more to play in the same way in Genshin. Alright guys, so I've disconnected my controller. Guys, in order to play Genshin Impact, you're going to have to install this application called Octopus Gamepad. So what this does, it basically emulates, well, it detects your controller. After that, you give permissions to for this app to use the files of your game. You just bind your keys in the game. So as you can see, as you probably know, that on Genshin Impact, you have to like tap with your fingers on the screen to be able to use different functions of the game, like opening a map or wishing, opening inventory, everything, right? So basically you just use this app, you assign a certain button on a certain tab on the screen, and you play like that. But you're gonna have to do this by yourself. Sorry guys, my phone doesn't allow me the permission to actually do this and show it to you, show you the full process, unfortunately. Sorry guys. Maybe on your phone it's going to be different, but my phone with Android 14 does not allow it. So that's just basically the mechanic. But if you want to play other games, as you can see, I've shown you native support. So guys, enjoy. Hopefully you liked this video. Press a thumbs up, subscribe. See you next time.